Hi, good morning. Welcome po muli sa isa na namang Ipon webinar. Ako po si Joyce Polanco, your Ipon Engineer, your IMG Financial Educator. So ngayon, isi-share ko sa inyo yung 3 financial challenge na kailangan nating paghanda. So una is, what if we die too soon? Sino mag-aalaga sa pamilya natin? Paano sila kakain ng 3 beses, no? Paano mapapatuloy yung pag-aaral ng ating mga anak. So, dapat meron tayong life insurance. What if naman we get sick? Sino magbabayad ng bills, yung hospitalization, yung medication, diba? So, dapat meron tayong healthcare. What if we live too long? No, mahaba ang ating buhay. Sino mag-aalaga sa atin when we get old? Siyempre, ayaw natin i-worry yung mga pamilya natin. So, dapat meron tayong passive income from investment, no? And siyempre, para hindi naman maubos yung pera natin sa investment, dahil sa pagkakasakit, dapat meron tayong long-term healthcare. Yan. So, ngayon, no, itong 3 financial solution na to, nasa isang product. Itong 3 major financial needs natin nasa isang product, ang Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder o Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare. Meron tayong healthcare hanggang pagtanda, may investment at may insurance. Diba? So, buhay natin, no, connected by that. Ang unang dat, yung DOB, date of birth, kung kailan tayo sinilang. And yung ngayon, probably nasa 35 tayo, yan yung ating learning years. Another that, yung YFB, you fire your boss, o yung BFY, boss fires you, yung forced resignation. Diba, 16 na tayo dyan. So, itong ay ang ating working years. Another that is nasa 19 na tayo, malapit na tayo mag-back to the Lord, yan yung ating retirement years. So, on our working years, we work hard for money. Kailangan nating magtrabaho, kayod. Siyempre kasi nandiyan yung responsibilities at mga pangangailangan natin. Diba? Probably from employment, may sideline, or from business. Pero habang nag-work hard tayo for money, kumikita tayo, huwag natin kalimutan na dapat dito pa lang on our working years, nag-iipon na tayo. Diba? How well we manage our hard-earned money now will dictate how comfortable we will be on our retirement years. Siyempre gusto natin komportable na meron tayong money working for us, no? Meron tayong passive income from business and investment, no? Meron long-term healthcare kasi talagang dyan lalabas ang mga kung ano-anong sakit sa ating retirement years, no? And solid ang ating financial foundation. Pero kung on our working years, yung hard-earned money natin, hindi natin na-manage ng maayos, no? Hindi tayo nag-ipon, aasa lang sa SSS at GSIS, dito tayo sa picture na to mapupunta. So, syempre, ayaw natin yan na kailangan natin mahingi ng financial help from our family. Ayaw natin ma-worry pa sila. Kasi baka by that time, meron na rin silang sariling pamilya. Diba? So, ngayon, no, pag-uusapan natin Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare. Tayo, bilang IMG member, ang partner natin sa healthcare is Kaiser International Health. Kaiser International Health Group is the leading healthcare maintenance organization in the Philippines today. Okay, so tignan natin how it works. So, ang gagamitin natin for our illustration is yung Plan K100. So, for 7 years, nag-iipon tayo, di ba? After 7 years, wala na tayong iisipin, fully paid na ang ating healthcare. 8 year onwards, 8 year onwards, is tuloy-tuloy na lumalago yung pera natin. The plan will mature after 20 years. So, cover tayo ng insurance the entire 20 years. Okay? Pwede din natin magamit ang ating healthcare, pero kung healthy tayo, hindi tayo nagkakasakit, the better. Dahil the more our investment grows, mas malaki ang pera natin pagtanda kung kailan talagang nandiyan lalabasan yung mga mamahaling sakit natin. Now, ano po ang benefits? Habang nag-iipon, habang nagbabayad for the first 7 years, taon-taon, libre ang ating annual physical examination benefits at dental benefits. Yung mga simpleng pagpapabunot, pagpapalinis ng ngipin, konsulta sa doktor, diba? Chest x-ray, CBC, urine test, stool test. Kung 35 and above na, Taon-taon, libre ang pagpapa-ECG and pap smear para sa mga babae. Okay? So, meron din waiver of membership fees due to death and disability. So, let's say si Juan de la Cruz, no, 2 years pa lang siya naghuhulog, then namatay. Siya, ibig sabihin, fully paid na ang plan for third year from the third year to the seventh year. Wala nang babayaran ang kanyang pamilya at the time of death. And then, since covered din tayo ng term insurance the entire 20 years, sa example natin, Plan K100, covered tayo ng 450,000. So, makakatanggap ang pamilya ni Juan de la Cruz, 450,000 times 2 kung accidental death, a total of 900,000. So, uulitin ko ha, namatay si Juan de la Cruz on the second year. Fully paid na ang plan, makakatanggap ang pamilya ng insurance money, at third, matatransfer yung policy sa principal beneficiary. So, yung kanyang principal beneficiary na ang makakagamit, walang babayaran, at yung lahat ng healthcare benefit, yung ng 8th year to the 20th year, yung investment benefit din, yung kanyang principal beneficiary na ang makakagamit. Kumbaga, naipamana ni Juan ang kanyang healthcare benefit sa kanyang principal beneficiary. Just in case need na ma-confine at gamitin for hospitalization ang cancer policy, meron pong annual benefit limit every year na 60,000. Okay? For the first 7 years, guaranteed, no, 85% na naibayad natin ay ibabalik sa atin upon maturity kung walang hospitalization o walang confinement. Yan. So, after 7 years na paid na tayo, no, ano nang meron, no, ano nang mangyayari from the 8th year to the 20th year, lumalago ang ating pondo. No, from the 8th year to the 20th year, nagko-compound, kumbaga yung ating pondo dito. Diba? So, ang long-term care benefit, based sa ating long-term care benefit value is 100,000. So, every year from 8th year to the 20th year, 10% guaranteed po yan na may nagagamit tayong 10%, 10%. Diba? So, pag walang nagagamit dito, ito ay nagko-compound, lumalaki, no, such that ang total accumulated unused yearly healthcare benefit is nasa 269,750 pag walang nagamit. Let's say may nagamit, let's say 50,000, mababawasan lang to accordingly, itong amount na to. So again, itong long-term care benefit value natin is guaranteed, no? So plan K100, so 100,000 ang long-term care benefit. So depende sa plan. So itong long-term care benefit na to, fixed and guaranteed to, maubos mo man yung lahat ng long-term care benefit mo dito is ito, intact siya, 100,000. And then next, ito yung tinatawag nating incentive, no, na sinasabi kung healthy ka for the first 7 years, walang confinement, walang hospitalization, ibabalik yung 85%. So for Plan K100, 350,000 yan. Okay? So syempre itong healthcare natin, no, from 8th year to the 20th year, nakalagay siya sa market, naka-invest siya, so may mga dividends. So ibibigay din sa atin yan ni Kaiser, no, amounting to 446,400. Such that on the 20th year, pag nag-mature na yung plan mo, 1.1 million na ang total accumulated health care experience incentive hospital benefit limit, 1.1. Now, on the maturity, may tatlong option na pwedeng gawin si plan holder. First, kunin na niya yung buong amount na yan. Pag kinuha niya yung buong amount na yan, close na yung account. Wala ng healthcare. Second option naman is kalahati lang yan yung kuhain niya. No? Kung kalahati, iniwan niya, yun pa yung healthcare fund niya. Pangatlong option is, bata pa naman ako, no? Tsaka kinuha ko talaga yan para pang healthcare ko pagtanda. Pag yun ang option na ginawa, is tignan natin kung ano pa ang meron. So, iniwan mo again for another 20 years, no? Let's say 60 ka, no? So, yung 1.1 mo, mag-grow na siya to 6.4 million. Now, pwede ka niyan, 10%, 10% nga, kuha ko yearly, pwede, no? Yung principal, hindi siya magagalaw, yung interest lang, dun lang ang kukuhain mo. Okay? So, pwede yun, no? Para living on interest, no? Yun yung sinasabi natin, money working for us. Pero paano kung wala pa naman akong sakit na 60, kaka-60 ko pa lang, ano pa, malakas pa. Iwan mo siya for another 5 years, yung 6.4 mo pwedeng mag-grow to 10.4 million. Again, pwede ka kumuha niya pa 10%, 1 million. So, living on interest, money working for you, you have passive income. Diba? So, ang passive income, no, para magkaroon ng passive income, parang pagtatanim. Magtanim ka ng puno ng mangga, diba? Alagaan mo siya, diba? Diligan mo. Pagdating ng panahon, diba? In the long run, hihitik din yan sa bunga, harvest ka na lang. Diba? Yun yung pag gusto natin magkaroon ng passive income. No? So, ang Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare is an application na tinuturo natin na importante mag-build tayo ng solid financial foundation. Kasi meron na siyang healthcare, may protection na siya, at may investment na siya. Diba? Meron na siyang halos lahat ng kailangan natin para magkaroon ng solid financial foundation, para magkaroon ng financial peace. Kaya kami sa family, no, ito talaga yung inuna namin, Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare. Okay? So, sa illustration natin, we used Plan K, we use Plan K100, no? So, Plan K100, ang term insurance niya, 450,000. Ang annual benefit limit niya, 60,000. Ang projected maturity value niya is 1.1 million. Okay, so may iba't ibang installment mode, no? Kung annual, 58,821, semi-annual, 31,764, quarterly, 17,058, and then monthly, 5,882. Kung spot cash, 369,200. Pag i-check mo yan, makakales ka almost 10% kung annual yung gagawin. Compared kung annual yung gagawin. Okay, so ang annual policy fee is 500 per year for 7 years. Okay, so pagka ikaw ay nasa 10 to 40 years old pa lang, ang minimum plan na pwede sa'yo is K45 at K50. Kung 41 above na, K60 yung minimum plan na pwede. And kung 51 above na, K75 yung plan na minimum para sa'yo. Now, sa pagkukuha ng long-term healthcare, no, depende sa goal mo. Depende sa gusto mong amount. Diba? So, kung okay na sa'yo yung 800, yung 600, let's say, no, okay na sa'yo yan, then ito yung plan for you. Pero, take note lang na baka naman for another 10 years, another 20 years is yung 600 is para lang sa isang pagkakasakit na lang, diba? So, yun lang, take note lang na meron tayong inflation na kailangan i-consider din, no? Pero, kung ang budget mo naman is ready, no? Kaya ng budget mo on a higher plan ang kunin, then you get the highest plan na kaya ng budget mo. Diba? So, basta ang importante, magkaroon tayo ng long-term healthcare para meron tayong financial peace kasi meron na siyang healthcare, may insurance na siya, and may investment na siya. Covered tayo hanggang sa ating pagtanda. Okay? So, reminder, no, on our working years, we must make more money, save and invest tayo as much as we can, as fast as we can, while we can. Para on our retirement years, no, meron tayong money working for us, di ba? Meron tayong passive income from business and investment. Mahalaga, meron tayong long-term healthcare, at solid ang ating financial foundation. So, if you have someone who have shared to you this video, balikan niyo po sila. And kung nakita niyo lang po itong video na to and you are interested, gusto niyo po makakaroon ng financial peace, magkaroon ng Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare, you can contact me. These are my contact information po. So God bless po sa ating lahat. Ingat po.